How to enable dark mode on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section. From there, you will see the dark mode option with a toggle next to it that's turned off. So in order for you to turn on and activate the dark mode on the Facebook Lite app, all what you need to do is click on that toggle to turn it on. And once you do that, the dark mode will be enabled on your Facebook Lite app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on and activate the dark mode on the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.